Okay. Let's. I'm so scared.
Hello, my fellow newly employed doctor. Here's your first day on the job. Let's see. Anomaly, exorcism, violent death, blah, 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 blah. How much did they tell you on the... Never mind. Let's just say some patients you're treating aren't quite right. And in that case, you just need to pick up that crucifix and perform a casual little exorcism. Don't worry, you'll be fine. There's a few ways you tell if a patient is what we call an anomaly. First, make sure to check their heartbeat on the heart monitor. That's usually a dead giveaway. If it's 0, or like 10 billion, then that's usually a good call to exercise them.
I'd like to register for an appointment.
I'm scared.
I feel cold.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. That photo just I see that. Actually, I'm never, after this, I'm never playing this again. What am I supposed to be doing? What am I doing? What?
Goodbye.
Okay. This guy seems normal, so is she coming too? No, she's not. She cannot. She has to come. Okay. thing over here. So that's the same thing that happened like last time doesn't happen this time. Nah, chat, I'm scared.
I appreciate
Please,
it.
there's no jump scare. Please, there's no jump scare. Okay, okay.
I'd like to register for an appointment. Are you kidding me?
Nah, Jay, I'm scared. I need you to protect me.
Hello, I need to see a job. This is the day you lost your chance to help Chrissy.
Okay.
Hi, I need medical help. I've been waiting for a while.
Wait, how do you get restarted again?
Please tell me you can help.
What is this? Nope, 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 nope. What happens to the patient? Nope. I don't even feel it. Nope, please. No. Please. Please, please, please. Lord, I'm not trying to meet you today. No, yeah. I don't wanna meet you right now. Until the patient is I'm scared as heck. And this is my friend from class. From school. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, thank God I have. Why should we keep me go first? I can see some stains left on the bed. I better should. Nope, don't leave me over there. What the flip is? What the? What? How's she here? Gee, I'm scared.
Ah,
That's a normal patient. That's a normal patient, so.
Everything feels strange today.
That's a deep voice. Why is it not working? Oh no! Come on! What the heck? Maybe I'm doing the wrong thing. Where'd she go? Nah, she left the game.